Good evening, dear children. Our today's topic is political and social condition of Punjab before Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Guru Nanak Dev Ji was born in 1469 AD. The rulers were weak and divided on that time. They were fanatics. Fanatic is a person who tolerates only his own religion, mean he loves only his own religion. The morality of people had declined. So, you had made some judgment about the political condition. So, let us read now about Lodhis. Punjab was under the rule of Lodhi Sultans. Behlol Khan Lodhi became the Sultan of Delhi. After appointment, he appointed Tatar Khan as the Nizam of Punjab. Behlol Lodhi later decided to appoint Sheikh Yusuf, the Nizam of Multan, and order Tatar Khan and his son Babak Shah to proceed to Multan for his help. But Hussain defeated the royal armies. So Behlol lost control over the sub-province of South Punjab. Inspired by the independence of Multan, the Nizam of Punjab, Tatar Khan, also declared independence. Nizam Khan was a son of Behlol Lodhi. Earlier in history, he was known as Sikandar Lodhi. Behlol Lodhi sent to his son Nizam Khan to punish Tatar Khan. Nizam Khan inflicted a strong defeat on Tatar Khan. Consequently, Lodhi rule was established in Punjab. After the death of Behlol Lodhi, Sikandar Lodhi became the Sultan of Delhi. He is known as the famous Sultan of Lodhi dynasty. He centralized his administration and exercised full control over his chiefs and Jagirdars. He appointed Daulat Khan Lodhi as the Nizam of Central Punjab. During the time of Sikandar Lodhi, Punjab formed a very small part of Lodhi Empire. Sikandar Lodhi regarded it his duty to remove the grievances of his subjects. Subjects mean public. But his duties and justice was confined to Muslim only. He was thinking the welfare of Muslim subjects only. He had no concern for other people, other religions. He hated Hindus. He derived pleasure in destroying the Hindu idols and temples. Ibrahim Lodhi. Ibrahim Lodhi ascended the throne after Sikandar Lodhi. After the death of Sikandar Lodhi, who sat on throne? Ibrahim Lodhi. He was a wise and intelligent ruler. He was a brave soldier. Although he was hard-working and honest, yet he was unsuccessful during his rule. This is answer of one question. In board, they will ask you question. Describe the shortcomings of Ibrahim Lodhi. So what was the shortcoming? Although he was hardworking and honest, yet he was unsuccessful during his rule. Although he was himself a Afghan, he could not understand the nature and character of Pathans. He tried to create discipline among Pathan, ignoring the policies of his father and grandfather. In Lodhi's kingdom, Punjab was a province, but Punjab at that time was divided into two subas, that is Lahore and Multan. Further, the Suba of Punjab was divided into Paraganas as Sirhind, Sultan and Dipalpur. Sirhind, Sultan and Dipalpur. These Paraganas were directly under the control of sultans. As I already told you, Sikandar Lodhi father of Ibrahim Lodi, made Tatar Khan the governor of Punjab. But after his death, his son Daulat Khan Lodi appointed governor of Punjab. Yes, Daulat Khan Lodi. Maybe you have read this word in your Punjabi or Hindi when you are writing essay for Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Line comes like this: Guru Nanak Dev Ji ने दौलत खां लोधी दा मोदी खाना चलाया, which was situated in Sultanpur Lodi. Now come back to our topic. After the death of Tatar Khan, his son Daulat Khan Lodi appointed